against the Tutsi, we pause to remember the lives lost, the families torn apart, and the devastating impact of hatred and violence that engulfed Rwanda in the darkest moments of its history. This day serves as a somber reminder of the depths of human cruelty, but also as a powerful testament to the resilience and courage of the Rwandan people in their journey toward reconciliation, healing, and nation-building. The genocide left deep scars, but Rwanda's response, focused on forgiveness, justice, and unity, has become a beacon of hope for countries around the world. This day invites us to reflect on the importance of building societies where understanding, tolerance, and mutual respect are the foundation for lasting peace. From darkness to light, the power of reflection in rebuilding Rwanda, once shattered by the horrific events of 1994, has undergone an incredible transformation in the decades since. The road to recovery was neither easy nor quick, but the people of Rwanda, guided by a collective spirit of reconciliation, rebuilt their nation from the ground up. It wasn't just about reconstructing homes and infrastructure. It was about rebuilding trust, healing wounds, and fostering unity among people who had been divided by ethnic lines. The government of Rwanda, supported by local and international organizations, took bold steps to ensure that the cycle of violence would never repeat itself. Programs for justice and reconciliation, including the Gacaca courts, enabled Rwandans to confront the past with courage and honesty. The unity of the Rwandan people, their shared commitment to forgiveness and healing, and their efforts to create a more just and peaceful society have made Rwanda a model for other nations struggling with the aftermath of conflict. Reflection and healing. Essential pillars of nation building. The act of reflection is essential for healing and for ensuring that the lessons of the past are never forgotten. The International Day of Reflection on the 1994 genocide is not just about remembering the past. It is about ensuring that the values of peace, unity, and reconciliation are passed on to future generations. The healing process is a collective effort, requiring the participation of everyone, survivors, perpetrators, and the global community alike. By reflecting on the atrocities committed, society can begin to acknowledge the pain of the past, make amends where possible, and pave the way for a more inclusive and compassionate future. True nation building is rooted in the lessons learned from history, in the commitment to never repeat the mistakes of the past, and in the power of collective healing. Rwanda's journey of resilience shows that through reflection, forgiveness, and collective action, a nation can emerge stronger and more united, ready to face the challenges of the future with hope and determination.